we have to be able to train people and hold people accountable when they're in the field and are running the process.
I use CompanyCam to communicate with the homeowner. I use it to keep all of our files together. I use it to check up on our crews, and I use it to check up on the project coordinators to make sure they are on top of their projects as well.
We have hundreds of job files, and some of those job files have 6, 8, 10 guys taking pictures that all time out, and it's all organized by the date that they took them and the time that they took them.
When I go in a random job and I see how they're documented, it helps me coach my team, because now I can tell, hey, did they take the photos in the way that we suggested taking the photos? Are they doing test squares? How do we know we have enough damage? Are we actually being the customer advocate, or are we not being the customer advocate? Then I can also coach my quality of control from my pictures, right? So as the collaborator shows up and he starts taking pictures, are we in the yard? Is the trailer supposed to be in the yard? Where is the material being delivered? Did the crew have to load the material on the roof? Now I have proof that the crew had to load the material on the roof.
Not all of the crews speak English, and I don't speak Spanish. So having photos for that communication really helps clarify exactly where things are, and that I don't misunderstand them, they don't misunderstand me. I can just kind of look at the photos, and if I need any more details, then I know I can give them a call. But usually the photos are exactly what I need.
And that's what you guys are doing, is you're actually helping people become better and more professionals of their industry, because it's holding the line.